Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll read a text file and count the total number of upper and lowercase letters. To open the text file, we have to write f is equal to open sample.txt, r. Here f is the file handle, sample.txt is the source file, and r is to read from the file. First, we should initialize two counters, one for uppercase and second one for lowercase. Count upper is equal to 0 and count lower is equal to 0 will initialize the two counters. To get all the data from the text file, we have to write data is equal to f.read. The output will be in the form of a string. Now we'll loop through the string one character at a time and we'll check whether the character is in uppercase. If it will be in uppercase, count upper will be incremented. If it is in lowercase, count lower will be increment. For I in data, we'll look through the string. If I dot upper, will check whether the character is in uppercase. Count upper is equal to count upper plus 1 will increment the counter. Else if I dot is lower, will check for lowercase letters. If the letter is lowercase letter, the count lower counter will be incremented. Is lower function returns true if the character is in lowercase, else it will return false. Is upper function returns true if the character is in uppercase, else it will return false. Now we got the total number of lowercase and uppercase letters in these two counters. To print these two counters, we have to write print within bracket total uppercase letters, comma, count upper. Second one is print lowercase letters, comma, count lower. An open file is closed by calling the close method of its file object. Closing a file is important. A close function breaks the link of file object and the file on the disk. In Python, files are automatically closed at the end of the program, but it is a good practice to get into the habit of closing your files explicitly. Now we'll run the program. There are 13 uppercase letters and 189 lowercase letters. You can see sample.txt file. Hope this video is beneficial to you. Thanks for watching.